Hello students, let us continue exercise 15.1 probability question number 13. A die is thrown once, find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6 and an odd number. A die is thrown once, therefore sample space contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 6. Let E be the event getting a prime number. Prime number 2, 3, 5. Prime number 2, 3, 5. So we write E equal to 2, 3, 5. Number of favorable outcomes to E is 1, 2, 3, 3. Probability of an event is 3 upon 6. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. That is 1 upon 2. Now second part, let F be the event getting a number lying between 2 and 6. F equal to 3, 4, 5 lies between 2 and 6. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to F is 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, PF equal to 3 upon 6. 3 upon 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. That is 1 upon 2. This is your required probability. Let G be the event getting an odd number. Odd number 1, 3, 5. Odd number is 1, 3, 5. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to G is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. PG equal to 3 upon 6. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. That is 1 upon 2. This is your answer. Now question number 14. One card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Second, a face card and a red face card. The jack of heart and a spade. The queen of diamond. Total cards 52. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 52. Let E be the event getting a king of red color. King of red color. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to E is 2. P equal to 2 upon 52. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4. 2 6 ja 12. 1 upon 26. Let F be the event getting a face card. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to F is 12. PF equal to 12 upon 52. 4 3 ja 12. 4 1 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12. 3 upon 12. Let G be the event getting a red face card. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to G is 6. Only 6 red face card. PG equal to 6 upon 52. 2 3 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4. 2 6 ja 12. 3 upon 26. Let H be the event getting the jack of heart. Number of favorable outcomes to H is 1. Therefore, PH equal to 1 upon 52. Let I be the event getting a spade. There, the number of favorable outcomes to I is 13. Pi equal to 13 upon 52. 13 1 ja 13. 13 4 ja 52. That is 1 upon 4. Let J be the event getting the queen of diamond. Queen of diamond is only 1. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to J is 1. Pj equal to 1 upon 52. This is your required probability. Now question number 15. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamond are well shuffled with their face downward. One card is then picked up at random. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of Diamond. This is your 10 of diamond, Jack of diamond, Queen of diamond and King of diamond and Ace of diamond. There are 5 cards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is Queen? Therefore, total number of possible outcomes is 5. And find the probability of Queen. There is only one Queen. So, total number of all possible outcomes equal to 5. Let E be the event. Drawing the card is the Queen. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to E is 1. Only 1. P equal to 1 upon 5. This is your answer. Now, second part. If the Queen is drawn and put aside. If the Queen is drawn and put aside. So, remaining card is only 4. If the Queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up an ace? There are only 4 cards. Find the probability of ace. Ace, this is your ace. So, PF equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. If the Queen is drawn and put aside, the total number of all possible outcomes is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Let F be the event. Drawing an ace. This is your ace. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to F is only 1. Only 1. PF equal to 1 upon total. 1 upon total, 1 upon 4. Now, part second. Find the probability that is Queen. There is no Queen. There is no Queen. So, number of favorable outcomes is 0. Let G be the event. Getting a Queen. This is an impossible event. This is an impossible event because there is no Queen in this condition. So, number of favorable outcomes to G is 0. Hence, PG equal to 0 upon 4. This is your answer. That is 0. Now we discuss again cards. These are your face cards. 6 black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 black and 6 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 4 king. 2 black king, 2 black king, 2 red king. Similarly, there are 4 queen, 2 black queen, 2 red queen. Similarly, there are 4 jack, 2 black jack, 2 red jack. There are 4 ace, 2 black ace and 2 red ace. And 16 card known as prime card and 12 card known as face card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 13 card of spade. Ace, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Jack known as 11. Queen known as 12. And king. This is your king known as 13. 13 card of spade. Similarly, 13 cards of club. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. 13. King, queen, jack. And this is your ace. So, total black card is 26. 13 cards club, 13 cards spade. Therefore, total black card is 6. And total face card black is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And total ace of black is 2. And similarly, 13 cards of heart. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. King, queen, jack. And this is your ace. And similarly, 13 cards of diamond. King, queen, jack. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is your known as ace. So, 26 card are black card and 26 are red card. So, total card 52. 13 card, 13 card, 13 card, 13 card. 13 4 ja 52. 26 black card, 26 red card. 4 ace, first, second, third, fourth. 4 king, first, second, third, fourth. 4 queen, first, second, third, fourth. 4 jack, first, second, third, fourth. 2 red king, 2 black king, 2 red queen, 2 black queen, 2 red jack, 2 black jack, 2 red ace and 2 black ace. This is your known as total 52 cards. Do question number 15, 16 in your fair notebook. Thank you.